Often when we're creating our publications, we are quite happy simply using our quick shapes to create whatever it is we're looking for, whether it be a simple star, triangle, but there are other times where we want to be a little bit more creative and do something a little bit different. We can do that using the commands up here for adding, subtracting, intersecting and excluding shapes. Now, as before, the option doesn't appear up here because I haven't actually selected anything. As soon as I highlight to select both of these shapes, I now have the option. So let's go through each in turn. Adding things together. I now have one shape that has joined the circle and the square together. What happens when I go on to subtract? So again, highlight both and subtract. I've now removed the circle from the shape. Not used quite so often, but sometimes it can be really useful. We can go to our intersect, and I think you can figure out what's going to be left is the area where the two shapes overlapped. And lastly, again, it is the opposite of our intersect. What it does is removes the area where both parts have overlapped. Now, if I create just a simple bar here, I'm going to take the transparency off and I'm going to change the colour, and then I'm going to put this into the background. So you'll see here the shape isn't white. I've removed the material and the colour. Okay, so just to kind of make a point there that it's not white, it's actually empty. So have a go. Again, I've just demonstrated this with two shapes. You could do it with any number. Also, when you create these, you'll notice that different handles appear. As soon as you see these little handles, that tells you you can do something with the shape. So let's just zoom in to the very first one. So what happens when I pull this in? Okay, so you can see I can now change the shape to something quite different just by moving the handles that we have there. So loads of different options. Again, so you can zoom in, you can zoom out and see what you can achieve by using our add, subtract, intersect and exclude commands. Thank you.